Hey riders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best folding e-bikes of 2025. And trust us, these aren't your average fold and go commuters. We tested each one ourselves, from city streets to off-road trails, and even pushed them to their limits in speed, range, and terrain. Let's roll into the lineup. First up, the Wallke H9, and this thing is an absolute powerhouse. With dual 3,200 watt motors and a Samsung cell battery that goes up to 240 miles. It's built for serious riders. We hit 34 miles per hour on open roads and cruised through rocky trails with ease, thanks to its full suspension and fat 20-inch tires. It folds surprisingly compact for its size, making it perfect for hunters, off-roaders, and long-distance adventurers who want raw power and range. UL2 849 certification adds peace of mind too. Check the description for the best price and product link. This one's a folding tank. Next, we tested the TT-EBIKE lineup, and wow, these are rockets on wheels. Depending on the model, you get up to 5,000 watts of motor power and speeds topping 42 miles per hour. We rode the 26-inch fat tire version through steep hills and muddy trails, and the full suspension soaked up everything. With battery options up to 60 volts, 28 amp hours, you're looking at serious range and torque. It folds, yes, but it rides like a full-size mountain bike. Perfect for thrill seekers and off-road junkies who want speed and flexibility. Hit the description for the product link and best deals. This one's built for adrenaline. The EUYBIKE is where rugged meets refined. We tested its 2,000 watt peak motor on dirt tracks and city streets, and it handled both like a champ. The 48 volt 25 amp hour battery gave us nearly 100 miles of range, and the magnesium alloy frame kept it lightweight yet durable. Hydraulic disc brakes gave us confident stopping power, and the 20 by 4.0 inch fat tires gripped everything from gravel to pavement. If you want a folding e-bike that feels like a dirt bike but folds like a commuter, this is your ride. Tap the description for the product link and best price. This one's a trail-blazing hybrid. The DAMSON dual motor e-bike is a long-range legend. We tested both the 1,000 watt and 2,000 watt versions, and with battery options up to 48 volts 30 amp hours, we hit over 120 miles on a single charge. The 26-inch fat tires and full suspension made it perfect for off-road terrain, and the adjustable stem gave us a custom fit for long rides. It folds down surprisingly well for its size, and it's UL certified for safety, ideal for serious riders who want distance, comfort, and dual motor torque. Check the description for the best price and product link. This one's built for endurance. Last but not least, the Heybike Ranger S. This one's perfect for city commuters who want power and portability. We tested its 1,400 watt peak motor on urban streets and bike paths, and it cruised effortlessly. The 48 volt 14.4 amp hour battery gave us solid range, and the step-through frame made it super accessible. Hydraulic fork suspension and 20 by 4.0 inch fat tires kept the ride smooth, and the 7-speed gear system gave us flexibility. It folds quickly and fits in tight spaces, ideal for apartment dwellers and daily riders. Hit the description for the product link and best price. This one's your everyday electric companion. So there you have it, our top 5 folding e-bikes of 2025, tested and trail approved. Whether you're chasing speed, range, or just a smarter way to commute, these bikes deliver serious performance in compact form. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below for all the product links and best prices. Your next ride starts here. Fold it, charge it, and let the adventure begin.